Okay, so so this is a good angle for you. This is a newer acquisition, and actually coming from Frank Martucci and his family. You know, one of the things that was a concern to me was the frame, and these are frames, as you see, they're quite elaborate, and we'll dust them, but there's so much detail in there that there's like just some soot that gets embedded. And she had worked in just little combo solutions to see what would work, and a variety of tools. And then the first one was just like diluted
first distilled water, then a mild detergent, and then if that didn't work, a little alcohol.
But then with that, you were very careful because
you don't want to remove there's the boule, which is the red down there. Then they have an adhesive that's that the gold leaf attaches to. So you don't want to go down to the compo, which is the white. So
yeah, so it's all like a delicate balance, and you're working in little sections at a time. And even so, I would say that we're still doing it, as time consuming as this is and has been, we're still doing it at a far faster speed than you would elsewhere. Because elsewhere this could take at least months, yes. Keeping it a more natural state, because then you can then over gilt it, and you don't want that, and then it looks too glaringly new and incorrect. Yeah, so that's what's going on here. You know, obviously the face is always protected, but what other ones we might be able to do a deeper clean in this short amount of time for the opening. But it'll be like a little bit of a balance. Let me see. Probably in its original form, you probably would not have seen as much of the boule that Mariana's describing, which is like that red undertone. Mm-hmm. Is that okay if I move this?
Yes, of course.
So you can see, and there his more full signature. I think it looks beautiful. I think you really then are able to really see and appreciate these swirls and all the campus leaves, and again, it's in keeping. It's like an aging person, you know, and we don't want to add too much Botox.
What's going on now?
So you can really get. I'm just gonna put this over here. So you can come this way, and then so you can see the difference from that to that.
Oh yeah, look at that.
This most likely was over a fireplace in the course of its 100+ years. But so you see, like even there on that rabbit, like how it's like even like really a lot darker. And it's great. We have a little bit of time to do this, so again we'll time it just to make sure at the end it's like even. But my feeling now is to focus on the cleaning, to get that. But I don't think we'll be going in and doing any additional gilding or anything. I don't think it's necessary, but I think it's more important to get this soot off. And already this is just a few hours in, just seeing that dividing line. It's very impressive, right? And it's exciting.